sounds why sweet saja minim say GFA we say o ma beda wase say na say asore na obey say white no wase
beda amase
sa
beda amase we dey me outfit
ka say na say asore
ejena me dey mase bebre beba
well yen nkomo yen start efe no Adinyama to treasure this time around send anka bia ye kwa agenda bebre no ziade efe no straightforward. It's all about the Ghana Premier League the coming season and then the prize money near ma e betimi aboy football no amano akoso yamfa Kofi Idi Adams ensem no and so and say as your sports minister
onim enra sports minister kasa yie pa me bona baso hwe me kroma no hu ade ba ko amahuni say usually yehu caption yehu caption how I paraphrase ade no headline no nipa ni hu pe no wa peke no ompe asem na ntie enti ogire no so na obaahye so what's this ade no kroma
yeah
no bi na onim say honestly speaking na me ya ade enti na me nyantie sports minister enti asem ye okan ya no metu me bua metie ni asase mintie no na me kra me dwane ba metu me bua metie ni ye asem na okan the context e mo de kan asem no ena me hu say oh papa no asem na okan on kan body say Gabia no bi na kaya be 2 days ago so hu social media media na bi normal and oti adwuma na say asane ma na o mfa anya asem but advisable say normally say obi kan asem a na bia hu caption bia try say asem na nkasa na nipa ne kan no obepe etie anya mu nkyeremu ansa na what draw conclusions Gabi asma minister kan no me no nyina nim say ene your global village otie your global village ankane no say Ghana ye boy en lega omo no more opportunity and accessibility na kakra bi say enye ya ye okrom hanom na nkasa na Gabi na edin because that time no ye need their friend TikTok meboa Instagram ne na se phone na eni ho social media handles and ye keka na uni bibi e friend social media handles say enye paper ya bobo wie na open ball mu nsem atia wentie o radio so ebia GBC nom wentie me ne ahimfa na obenya atia
there's a graphics
just offer graphic enuntina sa time na Kotoko Express nso no ne bo aba be day time na Kotoko hihye niema yie na at a point no say opese oto graphica ye ma Kotoko Express ania the graphic atato because they do baby mpo na graphics ni mpo na enkosa enti Kotoko Express na ania the top graphics oh said you know me no nti Gabi ade ni nie ti sa time na accessibility na o form ye pa but Gabi the omne say super sports eba enye ene
yeah
because me kai say me kra labon estate kra no na ye super sports but not Ghana League unya baby the only thing I don't say GTV sports highlights ye ra kwab na ye boa
abeyi kakra
wapono kakra bi amoahwe Tigabi you've got no choice just say Oko Stadium and yes I team one person support here open no unya ne nhwe unya ho nso ntem and at the advent of radio how many radio stations in Pona sa period na e system tis where nya GBC no bi na omo ampane ho nsem kakra amfa ma wa o kwakwa ko tie ni wai but so atisem na see
yeah
enti obi ope agro ni bia no se eben na opese baby e wono okono okoko hebi but any all the luxury mitifie ye EPL our channels bebre so platforms bebre EPL and I mean na bi on multi ko Facebook baby ubo say game akra wunim say ubenya ahwe no na go he and your platform ba kwa subscribe it to it no matches o wiase nyina wo hwe mebo a matches o wiase nyina person hwe wo hwe inti accessibility no e wo ho ti say Gabi accessibility no wo ho dia e kire say your options are plenty say sa na kire
yeah
and your options are plenty then na wo dey ma me consume dia wo dey ma me consume no idea me appreciate ya na.
Is there something exceptional?
That is the point, because you are in a competitive market. Kotoko elbow the game 3. Elbow the game 3 area no. Sam record now so EPL matches 8 year.
Maybe Manchester be
Manchester elbow. Ebia Liverpool be elbow ni die. Ebia beko Spain so La Liga matches be so gabi koso. And then so no ball no interest na sa akosro say a bear business kese pass a man for side betting. Say 50 man friend or my betting course.
Yeah, of course.
Baby or Japade won so a hono akuma wo. And the gabi imagine say 50 man friend my betting course no. Now boys na kwa channel. O wi a gabi a him fa na full say interest ne beko. Enye baby am invest. Hono me interest beko mo. Enti no sa ye wo hanom in a way unim you at a huge disadvantage, because you compete globally, and you compete globally no some big teams here come one semi crown no person unya kwan show mo accessibility ne say more
or some quality so as
quality the coverage untimi no in terms of the coverage, in terms of commentary, how our position ne ho ne bibia mu no onto no so it essence I want to know accessibility in war. Gabi, there was a woo yen say, Sisonia may ye son of pain in a person or tre. Sisonia may ye men there down who say, or leg, you know, and our born or said you are Bonnie Biana said you are Benny Biano. I'm out for be patronizing. There be an tessa. Mammy reason I was a Mijai Real Madrid game, Sheba Kotoko game, and I'm Babesha had to full game. Tie, Milba Stadium, no. Maybe 30 cities, maybe 50 cities. Me ban so disadvantage in ye. Meanwhile, met me akwa kutua 10 cities. Oh, DSTV center. Me kutua DSTV center 10 cities na. Me share matches bear 4 or 5 the whole day. Not me share. Gabi share difference, you know. Me san for car. Bia baby cry na how to folk airborne the ball. Me watema. Me for car na my bank cry. About be share how to folk game. In and out, bia me we crackers can kwanso agime be 30 cities to 40 cities. And son Ameba Stadium honso ticket Ameba Babicha. And to measure one game where we na me go close to 100 cities. And to one mommy reason also me be show agabi e be den maba. No, so what papa na so.
Of course.
One mommy reason I me mama me show. Because already accessibility me want options are plenty. And the quality I mean from coverage BBM no and yes our quality number babenya ha. Nti ente saade na say na appreciate the fact say baby a edru no or say a lot of innovations near sisi aniema yie and asem na papa ne sai kan wo gabi san hwe adibi from perspective wey so no.
Oh yeah, ko bisa say sisi Ghana Premier League no o ka so be star boy be nkra na wo hwan na e the poster e the league no
e ho na na me gabi unim first one only choice first in na anim say Premier League na asefo ho no only choice enti Dombo table baller Charles Taylor baller Emmanuel Seko for baller Gabi
Obeba no Obeba
Stephen Odru baller Oma
Obeba
Michael Osai baller Emma Power baller Oma.
And even to the extent said then time no yeah they say na eja you krunki twam ni ade nti even krumbo say bia ball no kra say na obeba benya bia be na TV so be nkra na but the time 3-9 ebebo ball no de wakwa fom said den obeba be du fia ansa na 3 na ball now to ready who tie game no
Gabi and then the only say Kotokone has bisaman fom bo so omunim data Ghana Premier League asia Uti. Na bi so almost say Kotoko first game obebo ne dabe. Has first game obebo ne dabe.
There be some Manchester this year.
But be some Manchester obeka only reason no. Because say no kra no. Sa anticipation sa odo pepa any ade no. Eni ho no kra wo no. Etie na titru no ye na ne pese boy local league no de wuru no. E ma ye bre. Cause no kra as no kra na papa no e ka no. Gabi. First in one Ufre phone by na calendar no kwati me hwe bi okro mo ka mentina ekra da ba mi
no atake
so mo take me bo mo take enti otimi sesa niema a kire wo say nyame pa eda say Kotoko bebo ne ball minimum so fufu bi otimi
me say be kwa phone bansa na game ni start
minimum so fufu bi otimi ka kire wo say Kotoko bo game enti o preachia sanko be pon 2 or be pon 12 no akra asori ma so no be ko stadium as of 4 crowd the amount for stadium because that time no go stadium the excitement a stadium no e dey brown na ye enormous so one go stadium onim that time no so one go stadium as o yare o dey steady side no se obi ko no mba be ka ho asem twa because mo be ba be duru no mo be ko so etinye ba ko so wo dey nkomo Charles Taylor eye move bi sa move ni e ka ho asem o se ko 4 yard bi
anko go bi abesi dey no be ka
yes Ismail say go bi sa go no be ka ho asem Emmanuel Ajogu je ball e ka nipa be 4-5 bi bomu kene sapon ententen wa ho e yade bi Edmond Corson Medford honum no o pai so bi ma ball ne koto atena na se o ma pass ba kuma ni bie defense ni o be ka ho asem ajatete e ye move bi ana ehu Jacob Mete e defending na said you defending na akono sani wa ha bi yade bi uhu bi da me ba twa me boa
of course
ma me tro secret ba ko ya ka no sa time no almost say national team jersey won say yes Blasters ba na ye pu adi omo achi
yeah
they into Blasters ba ye pu di omo achi because a brand a huge akono is so appealing eti ehu Blasters ase ehu de ehu that time no tie Ismail Ado national team jersey she asai kofo a captain Blasters otimi captain Blasters Yusuf Chepsa e we sing in 6 Ghana under 23 top stars no kwano na Yusuf Chepsa timi captain Ghana under 23 and to play or no captain Black Matthias Obokotoko o mama meheno Gabi Oma
obeba
Oma mehe Mike o semba power mu because unim and na a leg no I be na ya na ehwe say the League of Stars na La Liga home
La Liga
the League of Stars
La Liga
Ghana League utie na the League of Stars o because Daniel Yabua Argentina every liberty to kotoko no national team jersey enti a stars na all kwakwa
okay
and not just average players who me extraordinary who elevate you or the free hand near the omo the highest level Ghana boy against Nigeria national team utie Taibo West mu nyina ejinemu fini the George mu ejinemu Charles Taylor atu omo ayo omo ho adwuma ma omo bisase Bama
akọ obo team ben
na obo abrochire
Mekai Athens
Greece na Greece Athens
look at the way they sit
yen hwe niam yi o titie senipa no akwa stars adenti na onko obekọ because oku obenya the needed satisfaction enye player ba akopẹ na e ba bedi na onkomo obi ade da re ye ka players ahodo ho asem so say dey na adnicity
okay
George Kigali Jojo kwa Jojo because obekọ the national team obedo obey safety bi but enen wo you feel say national team utie say na local players kran am from national team no e be ye chopper yes rasa e was see enya quota enya sa na eka adanti na eka so see enya quota ye can is because ye nim say quality no okay so ubie mu pass anka ya the professionals no abrochire for ne enkrofo igina ho a one share ye enya ba kumpo so problem no enti e be stress mu ma ye quota for the local league but first no na ye nsre for quota o na talent ranka say wo ho no now they speak for themselves meboa now how do we get those talents back? Me jitum say generation bi awo players are produce yenim no kre. Ba oni made as my sports minister kan sports minister betimi aboa pa. Say na FA na afa mu de. But ade ni hu say na FA president kasa no mesre no. Why ade but the many timu nya ne de yendru ba bia. Because sika na wo kan utie hu say no me clubs na say me hu sa energy no mo manje me so ana say oh how kasa no the kasa ni kwaye say asay ade anwaso unim why ade anya so onya ade ogabitie asem na me beka ni why ade but yenti ade bi ase enko ba bi asa o unim de yenti enko ba bi asa asante kotoko say clubs no obi anya 1 million
the next 2 minutes per
obi anya 1 million Ghana cedis asante kotoko every month utie ne budget 1 million Ghana cedis so ya we Gabi say ofa class bia metie me nu atapoku which me bought ataba so because atay journalist said na okanin sem ne criticism the barrage of criticism odima FA no obaba be ye CEO oba agronum no asesa meboa enu aso oboy efe na baso eya no kre or say at least 1/3 of clubs no ebi because we see owning clubs ne bi budget etimi eya hu adwuma so it's good but or say ati say clubs ni bi nso kotokone has no level no omuye budget 1 million Ghana cedis so man 1 million Ghana cedis for the entire season a chance and the boss me back budget we take care of gabi wanya point no ha etime nkasa onya ade why ade but amount trimu nya o dese asa why ade hu a e wo se ba be ye anigie pa eye but utie say ya nya ne sa mo adwena maso say de mo ye ni de aye o mo ya ade na mu mo say mo ye more there is more to be done because the clubs are suffering now you can say no and the best sports minister so say every night na afamu de they expected to do more Nemum abine nso mua abine mua no gabi abine mua make
entity way abroad on that aspect no etna ye ba ye will luxury time e will local no then ya discuss enu ye pa so ma ye fa so na Kofi hwe ba be 3 minutes from me minim say bia be hwe scan Kofi
we will not be able to have this conversation in the next just 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't have to say we don't any see so you let me just go ahead and do the job I have to do. Gap, Mr. Sports Minister voiced the movie game on the competition that the Ghana Premier League face.
Okay.
Our league is competing with the English Premier League, the Championship League, TikTok, streaming platforms, gaming and every other form of entertainment available on the mobile phone. We are competing with all these platforms. So don't think you are alone. That is why you must do things to attract. Have you seen any butterfly move to any plant without flowers or fruit? So you need to create something to attract them. They don't owe you. We actually have a responsibility towards them. Let me announce that.
So there were just 3 points. One of them, Gab, Asema Minister Kaino, a purely marketing. Now, there may pay in what the minister said now is that we are not in marketing. There is the first thing that we call the brand positioning. It's the product you positions the product as ABR number 1 on the markets no a Gabi products no. But maybe person me ye dia obi entimi to buy bia Gabi products no boarding. Inti me person me be ye dia affordable as untimi to Gabi de na no na papa but to me no. So you market as an inferior to a brand, a certain brand. Now, in football, the biggest mistake we would have done was to market the Ghana Premier League as inferior to the EPL and then become an alternative to the EPL. The person me say many a decent minister nebano one man beka say we are not competing with the EPL. And unti omo mo show me EPL na share.
Omo show me the name so yenye
Debbie. We are not, you see, after that, mabo minister abasono asudi danaso edwuma so, and it goes beyond yesterday talking to the football club chairman and owners. It is a bigger job of creating an enabling environment, creating a thriving environment, and then making sure that the football is incentivized and then the brand is protected. One. Niema Baku Mienu Mienso Bekaya ye survey about how Ghanaians and why Ghanaians don't go to the stadium. The key thing, one of the key things that came out was hooliganism. We need to protect the brand. Into what position will brand? Then you protect the brand from things like hooliganism, corruption. Because if the brand is not trusted, it will never be able to compete for the many eyeballs on TikTok, as the minister said. Me ene unimadi I'm hooked on TikTok. Aviation documentaries. There are a lot of pilots. We ask omo phone. No more recorded from time omo dress no I fly who show you because semeti plane I'm usually fascinated. Then idea kesi we could nasro 8 hours and it doesn't come down. So that's for the last 1 week baby I share. But because I'm a football fan, I always find myself close to also football content. That is what I do. But the 3 key things that we need to do, in my opinion, to make sure that if we want to compete with the English Premier League, we should be able to do. I'll start from the third one before I come to the first one. Now, Jude Kasimbi said those days we had players that were stars. The captain of the Meteors, the captain. Do you know why? Because they were stars. Unim niente obi be funny phone. Now no power 10. Obi was in the office. It is not sometimes just because of Nhyira FM. Sometimes it is because of the personalities at Nhyira FM. Open go to Tobinko office. Before I join, now accountants. Me call for me interview. No, jag me dey am show. Personality. You create stars. You create personalities. People will watch them. Why? How do we create personalities? Gab, Ufri Ejesu, Konongo, Nauba. Have you seen a billboard of a Kotoko player before? So how would that fascinate the regular football fan to go and watch him?
Okay.
So me convince me back to so there is a player on share border on core national team that they don't have that. But how do I convince them that this is the player that I showed you on the billboard? So let's go and watch him on a Sunday when we are doing nothing. Maybe I call lunch or going to live, and we want to go there and go and watch that player.
Okay.
It is very, very important. And my second one, the first one also, and for mom. The first one I wanted to talk about is very important. The marketing of the Ghana Premier League has to be in the faces of people. You're starting English Premier League. So I was say, no, me see the amount. So I'm 3 minutes. So who Roman always see time? It's my fancy. You're creating fantasy Premier League. One fantasy Premier League. Champions League. So there is fantasy Premier League. So
yes, of course.
Exactly. It is not just because in conformable. It is marketing. So you are playing even a virtual form of the league. It's supposed to be targeted marketing. It's supposed to be concerted marketing. It's supposed to be intentional marketing. Branding of your players. Finally, because the football has not shown to be the best in the last few years, it is imperative for us to build a league beyond just football entertainment.
Okay.
Can bring people to the stadium. It has to be intentional generally. And the minister it comes down to marketing.
Okay.
We need to involve league never starting. And me, Ochina will get time. Mr. Ket, yes, Okreko has done so well. But the biggest indictment on the league is the lack of proper marketing. What is jingle on the league? What's any billboard on the league? Those are the issues.
Kofi, Mesirama, Nyasa, Yabeka, Madaruma,
30 seconds. I'm Prince of Pokwajman. Baby, any goal star soccer brand here, Mediema. Was signed a 1-year deal with Karela United.
Okay.
Dear woman, 1-year deal with Karela United.
Well, I will say, young fast than any being farmer, camel, natural.